Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to master Squeak in Brawl Stars. Squeak is a unique brawler, excelling at area denial and controlling the battlefield with his sticky attacks. His main attack, Blob, leaves a residue that detonates after a brief delay, making it perfect for predicting enemy movement. You'll want to use this to block paths or flush out opponents from cover. His super, Big Blob, amplifies this effect, creating a much larger explosion for significant damage and zone control. Squeak's gadgets and star powers significantly enhance his playstyle. Residue allows for immediate burst damage by detonating all active blobs, perfect for finishing off low-health enemies. Wind Up doubles your next blob's range, letting you surprise foes from afar. For star powers, Chain Reaction boosts blob damage by 10% per enemy hit, rewarding good aim. Super Sticky, on the other hand, slows enemies caught in your big blob for 4 seconds, making them easy targets for your team. Effective positioning is crucial for Squeak. Always stay behind your teammates, using their health as a shield while you launch your sticky attacks. Your role is to control space and deny areas to the enemy. Use your blobs to funnel opponents into predictable paths or to prevent them from reaching objectives. When your super is ready, communicate with your team to combine it with their abilities, creating powerful, game-changing plays. Squeak truly shines in objective-based modes. For advanced play, always anticipate enemy movements. Don't just aim at their current position, predict where they're going to be. Hiding in bushes can give you the element of surprise, allowing for perfectly timed blob placements. Mastering the art of leading your shots is key to consistently landing those delayed explosions. Be mindful of Squeak's weaknesses. Brawlers with high burst damage or extreme mobility, such as Morty's or Edgar, can be challenging matchups. Stay vigilant and adapt your strategy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.